everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nikki B, and for today's vlog, I'm really excited to share to you this recent hack that I learned on how you can finally get rid of this Amazon listing hijackers trying to steal the buy box from your brand. So if you are an FBA seller and you have gone the extra mile of having your company brand registered, meaning you have applied for a US trademark certificate, but later on, you get bullied or outsmarted by these hijackers trying to leech and piggyback on your listing's success, then keep on watching. Alright, so as I mentioned, this hack is only applicable if you are an FBA seller and if your company is brand registered. So you can easily have those buy box stealers kicked out of your listing and be the sole owner and distributor of your brands again.
Before I start with the tutorial, just a few disclaimers. First, I am not in any way connected to Physician's Choice nor to any of the sellers listed here in the listing. The reason why I chose this listing is by random chance. And I just got lucky because by just the look of it, you'll already know that Physician's Choice is brand registered because they are able to put enhanced brand content on their listings. And it's also this is also a good example because Physician's Choice is the brand owner, but they are not the winner of the buy box. And if we click here, if we check the sellers of this product, we're able to confirm that Neutral World Wholesalers wins the buy box. Well, another disclaimer, I don't know if Neutral World and Naturally Vibrant have an internal agreement with Physician's Choice to share the buy box with them, but just for the sake of this demonstration, we're gonna pretend that they are unauthorized resellers. Okay, so to report this to unauthorized resellers, you have to have your brand registry account ready with you, and then click sign in, then choose your marketplace. So in my case, we are in the United States. Wait for it to load and then click report a violation, and then you'll be directed to this page where you are asked to put the ASIN of the product affected. So I'm just gonna copy this ASIN here and paste it here and click search. First, do not tick this box right here, because if you do that and proceed with the process, you will be reporting the entire listing and you have a risk of Amazon shutting down your entire listing. So all of the sellers will not benefit, including you. Go to show offers and you will see here the different sellers. So again, just pretending that these two are not authorized by Physician's Choice, we will tick their boxes, and then depending on what certification you have, choose the correct report or the applicable report. So in our case, we have a registered US trademark certification, so I would choose that, and then you will be asked to select the reason or the best description of your issue. So I usually click a product or its packaging has my trademark on it. So sometimes it works. If it doesn't work, then I choose a product is a counterfeit. Every time I do this, brand registry support would kick them out of our listing buy box in less than 2 hours. That's how fast they act. So let's just choose this one and then choose the brand name, your brand name. And then if you have several registered trademark, then just choose the one that best fits your issue. You'll be asked if you have bought the item. So I'm gonna be honest and say no. So we're gonna be using this message box to compose our request to the brand registry support team. So basically what I do is, hi team, I would like to report the following sellers because they are stealing our buy box and we have not authorized them to resell or distribute our product with ASIN. Again, I'm just gonna copy. All right, so, and we're just gonna copy this to Neutral World Wholesalers, and then the other one is Naturally Vibrant Health. Please see attached. So if you chose trademark, of course, you have to provide your trademark certification. If you chose copyright, you have to provide that document. If you choose a patent, you have to provide a patent. But as you can see here, you're not allowed to attach any profile. So just save it on your Google Drive and get the shareable link, but make sure that the privacy is set to anyone with the link can view, so that if the seller support, if the brand registry support rep actually tries to view the link that you shared, they'll be able to have a look at it. They'll be able to see it. And if it will also help if you have an exclusive distribution agreement with your manufacturer stating that you are the only seller that they sell that product to, because it's customized by you. Add your name here and put your contact email and then tick this box and then submit. All right, so once you have submitted it, you will be directed to the homepage. And if you want to see the status of your report, just click this submission history and refresh.
So there, I hope you learned something useful that will be greatly beneficial for your company. I know if you are an FBA seller or a brand registered company, I'm sure you've struggled for quite some time dealing with this kind of hijackers, and I hope this video tutorial was able to give you that control over winning your buy boxes again for your listings. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll try my best to answer them. And if you like this video, give it some love and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, then consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my latest upload. So again, my name is Nikki B, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!